Hi friends, this is Carrie from the Creative Accent. Our newest marketing bundle just launched, and this video is going to show you all the things that are included inside the marketing bundle. So introducing Palmina, this is a fun, sophisticated design that's crafted for luxury travel agents and destination wedding professionals. Inside the bundle, you'll get 4 different Canva templates. The first are the 1080 by 1350 Instagram post size, so perfect for sharing on Instagram, creating beautiful carousels, promoting your services, lead magnets, highlighting testimonials and portfolio projects, and more. You'll also get the 1080 by 1920 taller story size. So these would be perfect for sharing on Instagram stories or in reels. You can also double and use these as Pinterest pins. So we've got a few that promote lead magnets, for example. These would make great pins to share on Pinterest. You'll also get a 30-page media kit template. This is ideal for creating different types of onboarding guides or pricing guides, prep guides, anything you might need to share with clients or prospective clients to really elevate that experience and show your professionalism. And last but not least, inside the Canva templates, you'll get 10 banner designs. These are perfect for announcements that you can plug into emails or share on Facebook or LinkedIn. Speaking of emails, you'll also get 6 Flodesk email templates that have specific focuses. So for example, one will be blog or content focused, another will be portfolio focused, so you're highlighting a case study or portfolio project. Another will be more of a general newsletter with a lot of flexibility there, delivering a lead magnet, promoting your services, or sharing more about your process or experience. Let's just have a look at one of these. So this is the general newsletter. And like the Canva templates, these are plug and play templates that you can just add to your Flodesk account and swap out the photos, swap out the text, plug in your content, and you're ready to go. So as you know, if you are doing any sort of email marketing, let's just have a look at another one. This can become very time consuming, and these templates are designed to save you time, help you look more professional, and create that elevated look for your brand that mirrors the first-class service that you're delivering.